S-Hertogenbosch in the Netherlands has a new bridge, one designed specifically for pedestrians and cyclists. At 7 meters wide, it clearly separates the two, giving each their own space. The bridge crosses the old city moat, a canalized section of the river Dommel, and connects the historic center with the southwestern part of the city. It replaces a bridge that was at least 60 years old. Originally built for pedestrians in a time when cyclists used the nearby road bridge. From 2013, that road bridge became exclusively for cars, and cyclists were forced to use this bridge instead, but it was far too narrow for shared use. From 2020 onwards, when the city set out to make the historic fortifications visible again, conditions for cycling actually became worse. New connections forced cyclists into awkward zigzag movements and even introduced a staircase along the most direct route. In the dark, that proved dangerous, and tragically, there was even a fatal incident. The structure needed major maintenance, so replacing it made more sense. Late 2025, the old bridge was removed. Construction of the new abutments followed in 2026. During that time, a diversion route guided cyclists across a nearby bridge. Then, in the night of the 17th of March 2026, the new bridge, a composite structure built in a factory in Meerkerk, was transported by road to s-Hertogenbosch, a journey of around 80 kilometers. The public was invited to watch, and it was quite a spectacle. Despite all the planning, a traffic light turned out to be in the way and had to be temporarily removed. But in the end, the 43-meter-long bridge was lifted into place in one piece. After that, a few more weeks were needed to complete the connections. That small square bollard on the cycle path didn't meet recommendations. Fortunately, it was changed at the last moment. On Friday, the 17th of April, the bridge was opened, and many people came to have a look. The diversion signs could finally be removed. Some finishing touches were still needed, walls marking the line of the old city defenses, and lighting integrated into the railing. The connection to the street on the city center side still needs to be improved as well. But for now, there is, at least, a very welcome new bridge.